am. Hope this message finds you all well in good spirits. Very important. We're going to be at Texas this Saturday at the Texas Motorplex at Demonology YouTube call out. I don't have a car. I'm looking for one. I'm working on some things, so I will be there. We have the rematch with the Redeye KillMonger Mod to Fame bot. This video is brought to you by GT500giveaway.com. Every $10 spent is entered to win. Check it out. But for now, you know what's happening. It's cold start time. KillMonger. Let's see Mr. Mopar himself, see what he can do. Steph's gonna take a test pass, and then we're gonna run the Redeye. Thought it would be faster. He got a 10.9. I assuming he let out.
I forgot to cut the traction all
I thought I said, did you let out or did traction kick in?
You heard that?
Yeah.
Wow, that's really bad. All right, I'm gonna go back around.
That's more like it. 10.7. Yeah, 10.7. He's getting the slip.
I saw the 60 foot and I said 10.7.
Yeah, 10.7 at 127.
I gotta get down to 1.4 so I can get my 10.7.
Yeah. All right.
Yo, I usually leave everything in, but I'm like, that.
Yeah, let's take. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, the battery's in the back. Yeah. Oh shoot. Listen, I'm a novice to Mopar, so I'm impressed by shit. Oh, he's already like got it pretty much. Look at that. He put the tire out.
Oh shit! I didn't know.
He's already out. Yeah, I didn't know the battery's in the back.
Yeah, the subwoofer is already out.
All right. So. All right. So we'll see. And then we'll switch seats. Steph's gonna drive this car, and I'm gonna drive that car.
The fastest Redeye I've seen. Let's see what happens. Are you serious? Got a better time though.
Oh, you 10.5. 10.5. What do you think about that, baby?
Oh my god.
How you like me now? 10.5 at 135. There you go, baby. Check it out. Check me out.
With a 1.6 160. Wow.
Whoa.
Oh, this your first time in this 1.6?
First time in 1.6, baby.
Congratulations.
We just reset the record.
I'm gonna do another test shot.
Here you go. 10.5 at 135. Wait, I need some more post game from my man here. What's your thoughts, bro? You gonna run this dude?
Am I gonna run you?
We got the rematch coming today.
Oh man.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Your car's running strong, bro.
No, it's all.
Okay, let's do it.
You sure? All right.
Watch this.
is a good race.
What happened?
I'm red lit.
I know.
I must have. What it is because I deep stage by accident. It pushed through the brakes on me.
Dude, let's just be 100. Both these cars are fun.
They are. This is a close ass race. Let's go again right now. Holla at it. Let's go. Holla at it. Let's go. All right, guys. We gonna go for it again, man. We gonna go for it again. Good race. I can't red light, but this car really got out just now. If I wouldn't have deep stage, I wouldn't have red lit.
So there you have it. Red lighted again, a lot less now on the Redeye. And same on, only almost got a perfect tree on that one. But still, he caught up, won.
You red light again?
I did.
All right.
I red lit again.
Yeah.
Yo, what it is I usually go on that third, but
yeah.
I don't know what it is. This car, I don't know if it's because it's hooking what, but this shit is like out. And that's what's catching, like I'm trying to get that perfect. But it is what it is. You still came and got me though, man. That was awesome.
Yeah, I looked over and I was like, oh, we're pulling by.
Yo, you gotta hear my playback. I'm like, ah! I'm like screaming as you pass me in excitement.
Oh man, it's a good time. Now we're gonna let him cool off and switch seats?
Yeah. I should strip my interior out.
All right, do what you gotta do.
Nah.
All right.
It's too much work, man.
I hear you.
We see the point.
All right.
The point is these cars are very, 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 very closely matched.
Yeah.
And it's depending on the day, right?
Yep.
So, it is what it is.
Today's the day for the 500.
Today's the day for the 500.
Yeah, that's today's the day. That's why it's any given, and I mean it's Sunday, but any given track day.
Any given track day, you never know. And that's why, it's fun though.
Yeah.
It's fun.
I'm just very proud of the mile an hour, to be honest with you.
Yo, that is ridiculous.
That is moving
That
for
is
stock.
ridiculous.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I ain't go front, I'm happy as shit. Let's go. You see that mile an hour?
Oh, I saw it.
Two
I saw
straight.
somebody red lit and still couldn't catch it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
What happened with that? You done
Baby got me, baby. Baby got me. It is
So
what it
you
is.
red lit, the red eye red lit, and they still wasn't enough to.
Well, see, he red lit by 0.0, and then I cut a 0.0.
Right, so he was right there, bro. He was on.
And then what happened was I was able to rock him down because a mile an hour is 5 mile an hour faster. But
So, oh my goodness. So that 60 foot that's in there, that red eye,
It's a little weak.
is not enough.
It
for
should
that
be.
7-speed
It should
dual
be.
clutch.
It should be a lower.
Not right now.
It should be a like high 1.4s, low 1.5s.
Let me get a straight shot of that?
yeah, go ahead,
I
bro.
need a jockey.
So that was what? How many runs?
I've done about 10 passes today on the car.
And your
That was my fourth pass.
What's the score between you two again?
Today is 2-up Mustang
He won both. I read
Today.
it both times.
and mile an hour. I got a mile an hour.
So
in
the
seat.
first one, I read it by too much. He couldn't catch me. You know what I'm saying? And you didn't run that fast the first time.
Okay.
And then the second time, he was on it. Like,
Yeah.
He cut a .010 and I red lit .05. So I barely red lit and he cut a perfect light. So, but that mile an hour came alive up top, man. Came alive up top. But why y'all? Hold on.
So
you seem very excited.
I got some tools if you want to take it out. If you think that's the issue.
Oh.
We can eat.
Yeah.
Fuck it, take it out. Fuck it.
You know what?
You do it. Let's do it.
I'll take
I said I got some tools for I ain't doing that shit. I ain't doing that shit. Yeah.
Well, your advantage is he has an 18-inch drag radio on the rear.
I do. I have a full drag radio on the back, 18-inch.
Yeah,
Yes.
so
100%.
So you got a drag radio versus a
Toyo R, Triple 8R.
Would you cut what 60 foot today?
1.7.
No. Your best 60 foot.
Best
today.
60 foot was a 1.659.
Okay. So how much better do you think he's gonna do than that?
The Toyos are the truth. I ain't gonna lie.
How much the Toyos are hooking for this
so
car?
better
Bro?
question then.
What?
So from what I heard, we had the wife out here.
Yeah, we did have her out
Glad
earlier.
I ain't raced her.
So you wouldn't
I'm glad I ain't raced
No, he wouldn't have missed. I told
Mrs.
Mrs. I told Mrs. Stangmode to stay. She's scared of running next to somebody, but it's gonna come on it. Hulk smash. Let's go. Hulk smash. Say it with me. Say it with me. Say it with me. Say it with me. It's all fun. We having a good time. Big ups to Mod Defame for coming out, bringing KillMonger. You can rent this. We had a blast, and to the victor go the spoils. Hulk smash, baby. You know we gotta do what we do.